Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my southern kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Are you looking for a simple, easy, last-minute treat to serve for your 4th of July barbecue? Well, I got the recipe for you. Today, we're going to make mixed berry cookie cups. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and they're full of berry goodness. And you may want to double the recipe because these will be out fast. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more dessert recipes, check out my dessert recipes playlist and my previous video, No Bake Kool-Aid Pie. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your muffin pan and your pie filling sugar because we're about to bake some mixed berry cookie cup magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our crust. Instead of using a cookie mix, we're going to use a cake mix. I'm using 1 package of yellow cake mix. You can use the brand of your choice. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of canola oil and 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. And give everything a quick stir until well combined. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing everything, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cake mix. And just that quickly, our crust is complete. How simple and easy was that? Now we're ready to fill up our muffin pan. We're going to fill them up with 12 muffin cups, and I sprayed them with baking spray so when they come out they won't stick. So we're going to use my spoon. We're going to dollop tablespoons full and place them right into the muffin pan like so. Alright, as soon as I get through filling up my muffin pan, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my dough together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cake cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing. So now, while they're still warm, we're going to make a hole in the center of them. So I'm just going to use the back of my sprinkle jar. Just going to punch it down. Alrighty, now we're ready to fill them up. I have 1 can of blueberry pie filling and 1 can of strawberry pie filling. I'm going to do half blueberry and the other half strawberry. I'm just going to dollop some right inside. Alrighty, don't they look gorgeous? So now I'm going to place them back in the oven for another 2 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my berry cups out of the oven. Smells heavenly. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan. And while they're cooling, let's go ahead and make our glaze. In my medium bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. That's sifted, or you can whisk it. And into our powdered sugar, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and a splash of pure vanilla extract. And give it a quick whisk until everything's well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, our glaze is complete. And our berry cookie cups are nice and cool. we're ready to give it some sugar. So we're just going to drizzle the glaze right on top, like so. And I'm just going to drizzle them right in the pan. Alrighty, my friends, I drizzle all my glaze onto my cups. So now I'm about to plate them up. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Mixed berry cookie cups. Don't that look good and patriotic? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Which one? The blueberry or the strawberry? I think I'll grab me a strawberry. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Have a bite. The cake is perfectly cooked and it's so moist. And I love the strawberry pie filling. And that glaze is out of this world. These are divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Oh, and nothing like cake mix cookies. Yum-o. Mixed berry cookie cup-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture. Please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy 4th of July.